and welcome to another episode of Iliashi, where we get to tackle issues that affect everyone. Iliashi is all about realities, and these realities are things that happen around us. They happen around our homes, around our schools, around our workplaces, and on Iliashi we get to touch them. We do not even say we do. Even in marriages, we talk about them. And on Iliashi, I always have a special guest with me. She's ever present with me. This is a face that everyone knows. She is not a face that we don't know. And just after this short commercial break, I'll be able to introduce her to you. We'll see you just after this short commercial break. Welcome back, and you're still here with me, Maggie. Where can you watch Iliashi, you may wonder? Iliashi is available on Top Star Channel 114 and also on Facebook, BMTV Zambia Channel 114. We're also on YouTube at BMTV Zambia. We're also found on TikTok, BMTV Zambia. Instagram as well, BMTV Zambia. And one important thing to note is that this program is available for sponsorship. So if you want your businesses to thrive out there, you know where to advertise your business. Iliashi is where it goes down. And if it goes down here, your business would definitely thrive. I also just want to say thank you to everyone that supports us, everyone that supports BMTV. Please do not stop. Continue supporting us. Continue encouraging us. And to also our international fans, we want to say thank you for watching BMTV as well. Our Zambian fans, we want to say thank you for watching BMTV. Mama Chikamoneka, you're welcome.
Thank you, Maggie.
You look lovely.
Thank you.
You should see Mama Chikamoneka when she stands up, but I won't talk about that. We've talked about a lot of things. Every time I say we talk about a lot of things, and we definitely do talk about a lot of things. Today we want to talk about marriage. Why do people get married? Nisha abantu weka their parents. No, now let's get married. Why do people get married?
Mwana wandi ichupo chabalire mu Bible. Ichupo chatampira mu Bible. Kwa ilese wabikire kwa abantu ukupana. Abantu babiri ukupana. Lesa balire po kupanga Adamu. Amono kutila uyu napanga tachiene okwikala yeka mu ibara lya Eden. Afuire okwata kafwa. So narampangira kafwa. Ero ampangile Eva okufunya kumbafu ya kwa Adamu. So chidya chali bupe kanyo bwakwelese fya pekenyo kutila umwa umeno mwana kashibafuire baba chapamo. Elo icho abantu bopanina ni nsansa Magi.
Okay.
Abantu balopana omulandu wa nsansa. Insansa echilenga n'abaana okufyalwa n'ensansa. Elo mu Bible mwene mabati kafyala neni kasanda neni mukesu shesonde. Nga chako bati abantu tabale upana. Isonde lyala isula shani. Na ifwe twalaba icho tuberere ko mpamulandu wali upeni abafyashi besu. So ichupo chali ba very important. Elo ichupo n'ensansa.
Okay. I know marriages are different. Kwa mama marriages ayasuma bambi wanat marriage nayo na bambi as no marriage hivi. Is marriage bad or it's an amazing thing to happen to anyone?
Mwana wanta kwa bechawa mange ichupo. Ichupo chali wamo kuchila fyonse nga chakutila munganda muli nsansa. Elo chiwama sana. Efyo nalesa chipangire chili ichupo ni nsansa. Ichupo cha bule nsansa tachawama. But ichupo cha nsansa chali wama. Pantu ichupo ni nsansa yolesa abikile pa bantu babiri. Ichupo ni nsansa nalabweke shapo. Ichupo ni nsansa Magi ukomfaba mbibaranda to ichupo tuikala fefila fili ma cohabiting. Ichupo te cohabiting. Ichupo cha kusansa muka. Muna mu Bible muna mwali bati Song of Solomon badi mbati ati chisankonde cha kulira kumone emishira. Nomba wala lira kumone emishira ngata muri nsansa.
Awe tete.
Tete kano muri nsansa. So ichupo mwana wandi ni nsansa.
Then you've talked about marriages that are different. These things that we are seeing these days where men and women are fighting. Now, abasanga kulo jaba, na abachiteshan. We've seen a lot of stories, disgusting stories about married people. And most of the times, these young ones say, nangu chikwati chamne, chimuti pasa na inspiration. nishirerenga abantu file chitika. So because I feel marriage is supposed to encourage even the young ones out there that want to get married, that are aspiring to get married. But why have people started abusing this beautiful kachinga kuti waranda shan union called marriage?
Ichirerenga sana mwana wandi kutila abantu bale muna kwati ichupo tensansa ni pamulando ulo ukonfering bana mayo bali kwataka wedi kana babomfe ati shipikisha club ati ichupo ni shipikisha club uwa bebela ati ichupo ni shipikisha club chinshi ichupo magite shipikisha club ichupo ni nsansa ero muri chiri ichupo ngata muri nsansa ebali ya umfa baisa mkulanda tia na ikalira fya abana wa ikalira abana ushemwa lichishi babuno bwino ichupo magi ichupo te bana ichupo ni webo we murume no mukashe ichupo abana besa pambali abana besa ni mwali upana kali mwali upana umulandu wa love chachine chitemu iko echamireta pamo echupo chira chini mwali bechalenga tinsansa shireba munganda mulya chinshi chirenga ti ichupo chikwate ensansa chira chine chinde bwende bwana alabo kishapo ichinde bwende bwe chachine lesabika mu bantu echirengo kwa tichupa chibe ninsansa because ichinde bwende bwete muchikwate ukwa bulensa insansa kano pali insansa ero ichinde bwende bwe chakulya na mutekanya ero chibabuino munganda mulya so ichupo balanda munsansa ni pamula ndu ichupo ushe chupo fere mu sitting mu kitchen ichupo ni kukati ekwa bensansa cha chupo ichupo te kukichini te musiti ichupo ni kukati kulia kuinyo kubombekele chinde bwenje bwecho lesabika mu bantu chile chinde bwende bwete muchibomfye chile chinde bwende bwete tukwate ensansa nga chako bati taule sansa muka munganda pakuti chile insansa shibe munganda kano mule sansa muka era na chile chakulya cho lesabika pakati ka muntu chikali kwa bwino mukutekanya noti na mulu wa makofi ne fitobona bafifya ne myona shiri ukwelo eteti kapali chilya chintu chilya chisa nensa
mule komaira po ifyo fini randet ati kukate kwa bensansa chapwilika that's why na kwebele na pa first magi ati munganda mwabenseko shitatu ai mwali inseko yapa kitchen nenseko yapa sitting room nenseko ya kukati lulyo luseko lwa kukati lwa nsansa luleta appetite fyonse no tu mwana kasharese kangati esase kyapa ichise kwa isa poke ichise ko insansa shaya kukati nishima mitabaisho kuseka
awe tabaishiba tabafunda kuli bana chimbusa umwana kashikuseka kwali benseko sho baba ni na besa kuti waseka so noti le chipongwe na meno yonse paka npanse kwa bana sasa shamu kitchen ndole ipika abantu mebabwera kunchito at least uli ku stove wamfafya abantu mebako aginga kunumo kwa waseka kukale kaluseka wabala mishako fida waseka kwa aka appetite nefi yakule fyana muletera appetite
ifi yakule fide ke fya
no mo mulumesa kwa aginga nishina imo fishifi bachite kunyeko lwa balubuliro isasa munga umuluvya lishona pa kuchite kulichaka chite kulichia pesa bakutira chikase ko bichande ko pensa sana lichupa kale muse banyo kuchitafi
sana bamuklande shine ensansa kwali bana abantu abashaba mufyupo ifshako atensansa chirenga ichupo chiko atensansa
ichirenga ti ichupo chiko atensansa limo aba umebala kalifya sana abana kashi ala fola umukashita ishona pesli punishinga fola ili chile chupo ta chile tensansa limbi umwa umiala lala sana mauti chile chupo ta chile tensansa umwa umialesa fe panchite ya lefu airapo elo limbi umwa ume wansele munganda le kutukensele teti usansa muke wala sansa muka teti elo limbi wamuna fyaisa bamudinda lipstick munu
kuli wanani
kuli bajenzi watu hawa icheba likono mbala watu mpatu wala mono mkashi baisa mudinda apa peni apepo baisa mkizinga okay bye see you tomorrow sweetheart chapwa bala ya kunga ndo mkashi kuisa ulisha lipstick miyo mopanuma ni chapwa insasa chapwa ndo malu buli munganda so fingi filengo kati insansa shibabo munganda limbyo mulume safi alifulwa alikalipata kwabo kuseka so insansa shira munganda te chibemo bati chikabirwa chako bati insansa shifire shaba consequence kumukashi na kumulume ero echo echupo chikekala bwino sana magi.
So number, if you are not happy in your marriage, why do certain women stay in a marriage where they are not happy? Taumfwa bwino tausekerere fefine mwachilanda ati bare kutekunya tauleseka
mama barera ndati ma kwena uli omwana shaisho necho namufyalire ukuya upu akachupo pono
eka shani yako
Ajala chine kona ile tandala bantu bamwe kwete omulomo ngawaya tandala kumwana ushaikala bwino wisanje bati Maria ala chine chupo pono mali abalumi akasani no tolu kwati nikala shishi beno kuseka kabala seka kukati ka chupo pono kali mwana wandi ali tumpo kuya upwa kali kuri kali so tulio tufiupo mwana wandi magi tatuawa mana kali afeyo tatufuaika kubana
nishtupo tuwawaya dotwine
tensele yo utufiupo ngabana takachupo pono balana paka chupo kala ka waya kali akachupo kako ataka kubuta tulio tuchupo twa kubuta tupo pono tulio toka muntu ayukwa dishina fyati bali upana ngawaisalo le chefte umuntu wena fwale chatia umuntu mena fwale chatia pie umukashiteke cha
bare machinga
iyo bare na bapapa n'umwana na daipa takweta na chini bulanda bushala tufiupo tulia turelanda pomagi but barabeni abantu babenda filia bari abantu bari kwata lavu ya pwirika magi nkusokolwele nkamba bari abantu bari abakwati mumazi muri amashanti compound na mumishi bari abakubati bekala pampanga nabalume bari efyu emu abalavu ya chine muri emu abensansa muri emu babapushe finde bwendewe proper pantuma iliwe bwino takulia chala lesha chameno na yaramba ibungu
tafukwete nenchito
ise tafukwete nchito bena kuingira mufefina wanunke mbukula itsoke filie fiupo fya chile no chaveli abaume tukwete matown wape fiupo ifubini takano momo ifubini cha perfume kumatui koso oui chef mukashati nimpurumushi nitaraganisa
mukaba problem ati basansa kuisa perfume
basansa kwa ali sanso kuruma yamatu kai foktare yagiga wino bajenzi batupi tankira.
So we were talking about unhappy marriages. What really makes you say I'm in an unhappy home? As a man, as a woman, what is making you say, ichichupo, I think I can't be in this home? And why do people actually even stay in an unhappy home?
Ichirenga chama kashana bale ikala mufiupo ifishile bale tele nsansa buna ngani magi ile kafene no kono wikele pan ndaipera sana example teti njikali muchupo 2 days bale ntukabufi ninkwatana amaboko ninkwatana menso ninkwatana matwina molo aya kwenderako awe teti ambeli shanangu nalisambira nshasambirira nangwe nalisambira ala fulane mpie shingi icho ndeka bila mutende kumushafye killing game because mungu kana ikala nensansa muchupo muri mwana wandi utinafa kuri BP na stress stress yali bariu it's only that mzambe tabachikosha aba stressed bengi nga muno shafyale ya waicho aba kiriye chupo kya ikona mai ikona
baboneka fe mukwenda
wala moneka fe kumumona fe ati chupo kiri tamu abensansa muri kiriye chupo tabalubika magi tabalubika.
So number, if you're happy, if your home is not happy, why are you still living in there?
Ninkwe bamaga tubuna ngani ebulenga tuwika lepalia because nga wemu ine wali ibikapo kuti wamwe afati chichupo nchikwete mwensansa boss ichupo ni nsansa shale enipo takwa bemanda yabashimbe na yamkuyikalira teti wikale muchupo cha bulensansa ole chita mwenshi wow ichupo ni nsansa magi umwe umyafilale kuseke iwo liruba kumulume wabe mabi magecho tumonekera bwino cyo bikira lipstick wabika na foundation wabika na ka powder wafwala ma lipstick inkopyo ninsansa shiro sansa mushomu lumeobi nomba ichupo wali kala vitamu aba ninsansa awe ichupo ninsansa magi ichupo chena fe chali ba fe ninsansa at least na ukwata ku room kali akansansa kali nango ale chitefia bupu bakena ka room kala kansansa epo kali sara lita de kufisa ale leta pabwero bakashiba nangisha madiro ale lyo kwene na maule itsaini but shilesha kwa nangisha tumulume wande ala bomba ale tabakashiba ndika sara ya kaka pesi ipwaka tentu insansa shile flowing shile isa munganda at least ne chinde wendebo because ichinde wendebwe ngamuri munganda chile chinde wendebwe tabachilia na mashoko tawa konfati chupolesa panga chali wa masana sana pakuti chinde wendebwe chumfike wino kano nshina ukwatensa insasa kumutima ero wala umfecho lesana ndati chisankonde ichakulira kumone emishira
so nombanga
na ukulia no kutekanya
ngana kwata mashoko
no tukulia ngana kwata mashoko nomba kuya mukulia purukutu ichashara no wala tampo kutontoka nata bacha becha bali aba ume tapali efyo bali kai ni wenda na mashoko mungana tabakusansa musha insansa sheka fie insansa fe sheka shirale ngomwa umyo kwikala bwiro munganda nanguna ya kumbitete aya lebwelele insansa noti we moneni magi mwana wanti nkwebe kwali baba nakashaba kwa tali upo naba umebe bali kwata ma problems kubana kashi ali upo mwana kashi bwino nensansa ali kwata shibantu but aisa upecha nakashi chakweba ati netira papa mwani ala kuti wa papa umwana kashita seka nangu bamute kunyeta aseke bamujokinishe na fiance fibi nangu bamutumine ko palanchi baswita ati mwaikala shani kunganda n'abana natwikala fe bwino naimwe namule bomba muletu batuma yamafoni abanabo ba no takwaba nukuposhaka mwe mwabombeni mwaikaleni mwabomba shani sweetheart mnamwinuka muri kwisa mwe taba kwefyo na kwishiba fye abalume balainuka babike na molu na ba servant bepike fye yakulya na fitara le fye abalume bese mukwimye fye pike ba servant nokuya fitene kapalia ni sansa shilya umwa umyafaya at least umukashiwa kwe ali shibana kamwinko alefika fya kabwali baswita tideri akabwali nakakaba filia fya keeping umwa busy munganda bana kashitaba fishi
Now these things that we are seeing now where men are being caught maybe na bamwikatana servant mubedi uyu na bamwikatana sister wako uyu bamwikatana nani ababa bekatana umwana kashi bamwikatana umwaume. Is it because these marriages are not working or they are not happy in these marriages?
Filia magi fya lipusanako if you pokuti filifya bwino munganda batulu nkumbwa aba umeringi bali kwatolu nkumbwa makamaka sister obe ngakwata sana ichibereshi kumulume obe definitely akalala nango mukashi na nkaze nilesunga kaze bakashi nishwa mpelafi ichibereshi kapyange ku bedroom kawashama boxer yaba mulamu obe kawamye tabu ba mulamu obe sibasambe kakafya menshi ulete expectish ule mpelafi na muya kunchito na musha wipikile ba mulamu obe fya kulya kaipika kayafu kama ifyofini bakaikata one day aba umefyefyo baba be nafe mwandi ni bali shupako nangu twale kotana balume twale chitafye nafipite fofini otherwise be na bali shupa magi.
What does the church have to say about marriages? If a marriage is not working, does the church encourage couples to just go their separate ways, or what takes a marriage to just break apart?
Mwana wandi na kuma church ekuli ubwafya bashima pipona bobo wala twali leli acha niko ata problem nganda nabakashi twafuilishe niko bala chita capitalize pali fine bala tumi nabakashi bakaya tusembindi mukamwini ndemye baso mu bipile takudoko weme god
so number takuri no kuya kuchechi kula isovera femwebele boza mwamuntu adira chima pepo kai mwalimu na ule chima pepo kunkunike ule munshirumbulwa but nshire fyala nje fyala dinalaisa nkutuse mbindi kunaisha ko kufyala so takudoko chiwamini uko kuli bashima pepo kuli wesi ama chechi ya Muzambia na ya lubana ndemyema tabesha kuikata koko chawa mabeni baikala fye bafiransha nyabeni munganda muna mwini ngafyapwa elo in fact chira wamanga fyapo ako briefly because uyo kwa yalambo kufuruko munangu no yo kwa yalambo kufuruko munangu
Filyanga fyapo ako panono filya chilabo ko bwino uyu mwa anasambia tumukashwa ninga talipo kashi nakula shupika muri uyu musango ndasuminisha ine ngandetera problem la mwebati au face nafuma ko panono badadi.
So that at least you can have a breather.
Pakuti atole mu 5 yasange mu bishi kashi apa ngabwera takabwe kishepo.
Okay.
So ichupo nga bale sunkana magi chadilinga fe bachipwisha pantu muku donsana umwaka fwa umwaka lemana umubaka mputulo kulu umubaka mtulelinso muku donsana cho twalabwerera kunsansa ichupo chansansa tete mubi okuipayana mukepayana mukashabana efyo magi.
Right. Well, on that note, we just take a very short commercial break. We'll be right back.
Hello, beautiful people. My name is Esther Chungunya Tando, and you are watching BMTV Channel 114. God bless.
Welcome back, and we're still here with Mama Chika Moneka on BMTV Channel 114 on Top Star. This is your girl Maggie, and you're clocked on Iliashi. Mama Chika Moneka, before we went on a break, we talked about a lot of things. Mwachitanda kwati kulabako ka time fiafine na nguimwe mwalanda kwati umuntu when a person comes to consult you about certain things, then you tell them, okay, pele ni kwa akashita, give each other time. So now what happens when there are children in that house?
Muri ilienga ndanga muli abana abakashina abalume namkwata abana magi nangwa bali 4 abana ono imwanga mwambo kudonsana efili echibemba chiranda chapaluile nsofu ichi chuliramo bana lyonse fe mwe bafyashinga mwalambo kudonsana munganda magi icho mukachushishamo bana bakayele abashale mbele application ati mubafyale ebo mukachushishamo. That's why tukanisha abantu kwikala mu fyupwe fya bulensansa ni pamlando wako ati once bamba fyo kudonsana bali abananga bamba okuchula kukesa fike nshite yakwe bati kayikula baba na mayi kula bawafi bakati aya kumyabo abwera limbibala chinja abalume aya kumyabo abwera limbibala chinja ero bali abalume tabale chinja ichashara nomba awe uyu mwa umyakanjipa akamfume kofi nomba ngafuma ko bali abana bakiri banono tabaka konke wishi baka konka nyina ero bali abana bale monefile chitika kuli wishi na banyina because na nkanono akamwana kakula monefile chitaba wishi so nomba ulio mwana ngaya kulio kwalaya bala bakule na banyina magi ubu bwafye bo tufiyo kumaira posana bali abana ero balaya limbala bakule na banyina kulio ko bala nguchula limbala kulana banko babo bakala bomba bakala bachitenshi bali abana batampo kulio kula tontonga zikota twali kwete na badatu wale kala bwino but bale panga fye chongo na mamami bali abana tabakatamo epo wishi tabakatari abo mutemu apo wishi efili olesanga nombe fya kwebati abantu bali upene bakanana abana bayikale chikale ero abana lya bayikale chikale basambirira no kusambirira bayana mu machito wishi kulio kwa ile kuma ule kula kwino kwa le tolokera pakuti ale chusha nyina utulio twana kashare konkatulia tukamukana impiyanga shapo nangwa masala linga yapo magi bali aba ichibala butuka batu mukashakala shafa vile tute imbala labana balekula so tabakatari aba mutemwa aba bashikuru bantu mumwe baume ba Muzambia musambirire ko muletanga mamono munene waletora na twike ekisaka cyatubotorote bano mo dream ko bakorera mu efikola aletora ngusukulu ko ngishya 5 kwacha bali abantu bali kwete amayanda magi bali kwete nabakashi bali kwete nenchito poor planning ya mwa umemunganda ila lengo kwisasa nguka chitole fyafini sasa ngukaponzo dibuga ilo nomba ilo nachibipa nde mfoluse nali mona probabili mailo bali mona matolosha kwe bati ilo baisa jwa bali ikere bwino bali yana chali poseri abana echilelenga kuposa abana nefyongo mayanda imwe bashitata ngachakwa na ukwataba kashi mune tonto ngati inchito nkwetete ya permanent ni templo one day likapwa waishiba iyi nchitonkwete ni templo te ya permanent waishiba wishiba no kwati one day ukakula amakata wakakwate ukafwaya pa kuikatoka firwa na ngufirma wa businessman one day business yobe ikawa ishi banomba wachikabashani sungeni bwino efyupo fyenu musunge n'abana bwino pakutira bali abana bakese emisungo kutira kula tole fisaka nokula lomba mutauni aliko talomba penko 5 kwacha penko 2 kwacha chali pose ya banero chali ubulumendo chamwe kwa chikabelelera kwali benshita yabukashana ne yabulumendo kwa benshita yabushitata na tata kwa baneshita yakwa shikuru wakota nombanga wakotoka chitashani pantu yali amaka wale tola ikana yo yatashani yapwa ama ule yachoma na wale pere mpya na yabutuka ero no bali abana bo wachu shota wale twala kuma skulu ya mtengo mpya wale twala muri bagenzi na batupini bale faya bali abana basunge bale kukabira bena tu basunge bapere life isuma because no obligation yo benga wafyala abana kuswambirisha abana kuba kushabwino bayikalirero waba free nomba wafyala abana waposero wachindika bagenzi ichashara nomba kula tole fisaka sawa sanga bashikuru bantu bale ryo bwadi ba ponso buga nga bale pose emikuswa pakwati bali 5 kutwa papa mwe aba umyaba tesa na mwe ala bale chura bashitata ndemye bala bakwati tasendere bwino life yakwe radio mulumendo bale senda bwino life ndani odi mulumendo wapeka nya bwino na ukubuko tokolea limbyuka kota taufuile paka tikanchitoke kalashani tachilemoneka bwino fitule tamba bashitata bale tola mu street bale tola sana majority bashitata mwira mona kwati limbi bali pena tebapena batuntulu chali pose lya bana ila chali chilumendo chale ula tebusalula pantu mwachiramu kumye emkwai
awe natubamona sana nabalomba kwati ati ya shotera ndrama nifuno kwera nifuno enda kwaso
no ufisana ni kwate chililo kwali wabepele bwa ni kwate chililo bamtumina 45 kuya musangale polo bwalo.
Now how do you encourage these couples to just resolve their issues amicably rather than fya lubana nomba fya fuma fya na muri nani kane muri resolving nomba
mwana wandefa ningalanda vipali lelo ine nalalanda ti bashitata na bana mayo ngana mfyala abana akusungeni fya abana benu ne fyupo mule ikalafi because makamaka bana mayo ngawafuma kuli uyo mwa umena yena futi na tuishokwadi ba discipline tu waya frafine wabwera kuchupo chobe ba mwaita kona bakalamba ba miteka punch ba miafirisha ko mutontonkanya but ififya ko bati yo ifyupo fyapo na yanjika ndile kulioko wala wika litawa ikalefi wala mkusenda mafama polopera shaftia ba mukaba nobe so chawa ichiwa uishibe chawa mapwechi ukuchile chiwa ta uishibe ikale nifye mule sunga abana because ukaya tanta muna nomba ne chibanda not ichiwa ichibanda icha kutira nomboko waikere wabe kashi no mulume wanje alipo bwino so akusunga nifye abana nabalume be no kuba control mayanda chiriko fe important but ngani bali abakwati ama knife yale mbane fyela bali abe nakuti murefu makufantu cha kuipaya but ayako abafatina mkwata fetuma family issues utuno nokola benesha nya fyoru seka mwali upana kali because noko kayo kaya sange chipuwa cha hivyo fini emkwai.
When we started having this conversation earlier, you had talked about abakusunga panganda and everything. So now, in situations where you have relatives that you are keeping at home, erona umona kono kumona kwati muri uyu sister uyu nkweto uyu namako kale ka behavior akashide chitana nikane akashide ba it doesn't align with what you want. How do you handle such situations just to avoid the backlash that comes with relatives when maybe you make a certain decision? Zero mama relatives vamba kwati ni chani why wakamba so why wachita so. How do you handle such situations?
Magi icho nalanda chakwe bati ilio lesunga abana panganda tefyo inganda yonse ifile yako ata discipline na order inganda ngata ikwete discipline na order ukatolo mpambo watolele chibali inganda ngata ikwete discipline na order ukapere kufyaka loto magi ula ya kumushwa yasenda baichebobe onjikane nomwa ichwa ndi musambirishi imifualile na umona taiweme niwe bole mwe bano ngomati yo bike shot ya talimpa sana fala kwa kachepeleko wala batu ya weekend na nkwe te blulu obewe mwasangana mwalikula tawaishwa behavior yako takwa abo muntu ingira mu mutima wa muntu so ichire ngeri ngiri nifwe bakashi walisendo mweche weka washama boxa yabamulamu na yakunchitonsha nsange na washika bed na ma beddings wash kabiki amenshi yabamulamu wobe ku bedroom kepiki obwali bwabamulamu wobe ale mono mwa umeto so abani ba Mrs. Shani uko ni ba Mrs. English iba Mrs Western culture so inena upomwa iche wakwe wale njipikire fyakulya because umwa umeonsala fa ikomwa umukashe ule mwipikire chakulya chako echo bakupira umwa umeonsala kabiro kumwashe fya tafa kwali baba umya bakalipa magi abachwa no muntu kwikata kufyakola fyako kano fya iwe maiwaisa akusokati finch fwa ule twalilira fya ule twalilira fya ukamsanga ku bed umwa icho na ipiapo ukalwali na sugar na BP pamukumo fyose ero kulaba okulira akali afya bwinolonga ni 70 akabwera palanchu kamusanga bale shaina na ngwe panuma 70 ale shaina nani na pansi panuma boss bale shaina bose bale ngira mu bedroom na lipona pochi bali njitie na I jacket ma jacket yaba fwala na mataya bali chindama ufi bala chipe jacket ukupoza muchipuna na taya poza ne shirt aya nina na panuma yakwa 70 bale bomba na ngweza abakashibali na mu office yes boss yes boss basema ndibale liko Pandwichi bapo balala bati uyu naleta na igishe nchito na ye na mwana kashali kwa tendi ngindi ala bati uyu ndetira olibia kwa tendi ngindi special yiwe myoje yowe babosi vaisa umapo sound check testing 1 2 bali aba misizingiri kuwaya kashinge kona upile
so noma ifimlela ndati wasanga babwana bale shaina vena bali pashani
bali pa mu 70 ale shaina na besa palanchi
and milana bali na pa mu bale shaina
na nkwe bonse mu passage
nomba made nishipingisha washadi nomba made we
magi icha abapo nichi muku super wilafi icha abapo nichi ili ole ingisha 70 ufire wa making a shwati ulia 70 pantafe na chanda tikulaba discipline na order panganda wa mulondolwele fofire ukikala nankwe wa mwingisha mukalaka mwenso ati abalumete bakwangalako kuletere pano mukubombe nchito noti kisa mukumpuishe chupo awe na mwishibaka bantu balaba 70 ichi bapo chakwe bati ulia 70 afwale ekitenge magi Lao delfie ne chitenge ale bomba fye ba boss ba isa ale bomba ba boss ba chitashani ale bomba tefyo ba madamu ba laisa ba sansana ma perfume kena kale runkira kona kalaka akamushikaya akabuntu kalaka kabiraba umeboza ba mbai kwata akantu ko bafa pa mwana kashi kanunkira kampitako kumona fida pya amfu ako bwino so no ba boss besa na basansa ma perfume 200 pa mubili bale chinja apa kulino kuchita mix so nomba ichi ba apate ko ati wala ingisho mukote na ngumu kashana na ngumu bi na ngumu suma nga kwali ba made upoke chupo ni ule ole munati mubi uli awine wala bati uyu mwana kashina chichibi echo nala ingisha muinchito uli akakupoke chupo kayuka ukalana tiye inendi musuma kaide baba 70 babi ngawa chiresha tawo imwana imwe muneshimikala kunchito hawa inena ali ingisha 70 umubi ala akakupoke chupo kwa bulano kuseka ndeni yeba akakupoka fye chupo bwino ndebisha story imwe eko bali ba lady bamo abalume babo opile omwana ndatisha upyo mwana kashumusuma ndeupa fye mwana kashumubi efe ba upile mwana kashumubi shefo wakuchinjanya nangu uwandifye efe babo opile ba lady abo ukwisa basanganisha nomu nabo best friend ero tabala ndire baba sendere fye kumutwala kuli banyina kumina ndukulya emonali basanga tina mwishibana papa sana na mwena tinga na upo mubi ero chikabako bwino kachaba bina umaule so hii example na mipela ya chini so wika mona mukashana out there ati yo na English yo mubi ero teti bapoke bali abeni abana ba 70 aba bibalya bala bakabira kubalume bobe bwino fiera kafwala ne chitenge kairi boss arerenga nyamoruta yamonapo yamoneka mu chitenge aleita fye ngapita sound check ikalira kamoneka shani akakuru mulya mukati mulya ngakaka ichaka nkali afye bwino kai ba bossi bama bike shotinga bainuka na bafwala amoru ya litalala ale tontoga na chitanta lya mu chitenge lira kaba poku chireri ya muri bike ya likosa no kukosa kukasulwa mata kasema kenda ne chitenge amatanta yako yali bakaya nakirira bwino magi so ile mulengisha abanchito mwirarolesha pabusuma no bukote na bakote ba mu mahuri abisana ukwisarara no mulume obe wa 50 wa 70 ukusarara no wa 40 demye kabiri alambo kula chita imagine aba mayota baupo aba fesi nka batenkanyemo kairi omuntu akota fyoko mwalisho echo te omuntu akota fyoko kanonga wakota saniro wala kutana omubiri but mu size yesu tukota fyoko uku kumubiri tuba fyo twaiche kuchira nabaicha batira ula sana bali ona ule mibiri kuba ume so nomba bala nabena ba ume bala tontonga abeni abakuru abona kula tushisha bantu plus bena ne umwana teti bafyale ne fumo tali akamonike balingira mu menopause nakula ali hapo fye mwana mupwala ya babedi bandi bakote ina inkisha bakote kachiri munani so katwish tetwish benefi yakufichita ko bika discipline na order pangana chapwa wamwafa tuli mwaicha wandini wigisha tauli wanchito waisanga olupwa pano fyafine winga mona ba sister bobe banoko banani efuna ile unchindikira abalume bandi shikule tele pano ati unga na wile nchito pantunda ya kunchito ungo na wile chupo ero na fyafine fya kobati no mbanga mwasange efyero mwala imana masembede kuipaya endo bwa donsanya no wine musanga nishe no mbamunga ndacharu ati na pa na fya na filya magita file moneka bwino kuli bana mayo nga wasanga nisho mulume obe filya teko omutima noti pulukutu teka fyo mutima bete fye bwino balume bandi fwaleni ni misanganisha no mwaiche wandi uyu mwaiche wandi fwaleni nala tumina kwa bakalamba twise tuikani tumone futwala chita pantu ineshire mikwana it's okay nala mishira umwaiche wandi nena alafu mamunganda chapwa takwa be manda yabashimbe ukuchira wa imana mapanga tuipa yo mwaiche obe fibi filya tefisuma filya iyo
especially pali in Eliashi, because these are things that are very common that we see all the time where waekata omulume na waekata omukashi, you want to beat the one that is involved. Why are you not dealing with your partner?
Ubusho ufayo mwana kashipali ababiri nani ufayo mnangu mulume obe omulume ewa ile mukolo mona so iwe ku dealing akalulete nga wabasanganisha nangu bali babiri pa town iwe kabyefe kunganda wiso muitefye we dad fya mulechita mulense banya shishi cho mbulisha pano pangana no tukukonka ule wansi nga wakonka fe ule kaya kutuke tawaba amana papata mutule katebe
In conclusion, Mama Shika Moneka, what is your advice to people out there that probably living in a home that tabari happy, I don't feel respected, maybe this is a family that doesn't even know how to resolve issues? How do you what's your advice to them?
Advice ya kwebati munga ndanga tamuli insansa wamona fati kwena tamuli insansa chawa mama ikala vipanshi wa mwe chawe ngashile misansa mushareke ninde ya kumwesu ndongere nimbwerere mu kumwesu ngashile misansa musha okuchiro kwikala mu chupo cha toxic marriage chakwati nshile sansa mukapantu chupo ni sansa ifimulensu ngapanganda pano na nensansa na kuchipinda teti kube pamulando wakati mule nchita tocha na inendi muntu mutima ula kalipa mwalanshanya afye nomba ngatu adilira it's better wafuma kofi chawa mokufumako okuchira mwaipayana chap but ngani ututu inefe tuma problems utu wakati mule pusane fimi tufilipamu tafibula kushenka na it's better mwaikala pantu kuli abana no chukulanda tibana na ikalira usunga abana nilesa kufuma mukisha tuti chibereshi.
Well, you have heard it for yourselves right here on BMTV. And one thing that you need to take home is that marriage is a very happy union. It's a very happy union. It just depends on how you take it. It depends on how the two of you resolve your issues. Marriage is a happy union. And if you are not happy, like Mama Shika Moneka has said, talk to someone. Talk about it, the two of you. You talk about it, you resolve issues rather than umo adikujere, umo adikumanda. We will not resolve any issues like that. And another thing I forgot to ask Mama Shika Moneka, even as we are closing, what can the government do to help these marriages that, let's say, marriages, there are certain incidences where there's a problem at home, maybe something that has to do with violence or anything, and then achta report to the higher authorities. How does the government, or how can the government help a situation or a family that is going through things like this?
Chani ngalanda chakobati makamaka bakapokolanga bamiletera omulandu umwana kashaisa lepunda balanjipa yakubalume mwe mutumana kabiri kubwekera kulya tumeni kwa baume bakapokole baye bamusende fingi file chitikaka mwalimu na nomba line fye kuchitika ili ashiria bulanda sana so bakapokola bera pera balatika mpere call out liyala mpera call out ala fulirwako wantwala na ku police mkunsebanye bala umafuti so chawa mabakapokola mule imina fe mwebene mwaya leta uli omuntu mwabeka likapanchi mwaba baingira mu counseling bwino ukuchira ukuleka na mayo obomine abwekera kulya kwini techisuma era na government ine na issue pa mwana wandika ile kuli batokota last takuli nokueme batokota bali mu government ebale onaula ne fyupo fya bene ababene aba mataito bali upana ero bali mukutoba fyupo fya bene nomba nikwisoko abantu bakola pusukira kaji pantu ili yakale twale kula kwale boko kupusukira ukwale bampanda mano bakatinga bayibo omuntu bamufunda alu tachaka bwekeshepo batwale kuli banachimbusa balambo kulongana na chibwinga no bachitachani utwele problem banachimbusa balambo kulongana nawo takuli nokuweme twale kuchechira ko kuli mumbulu ene wabipa shima pepala isaka bili kitubu chikupyu kai bashima baleta capitalize pa mafia ayo twele we mwine kwa balume bandiyo polopela no bwino atina lauma sound check umve polopela ya chini katwishi mwani ndesa tuafe tuleka bila fya pepo mchalo ama pepo tukosheko ama pepo mchalo chesu cha Zambia because Zambia chalo cha Kristiani tulefa ikokola chitefi ntufya wina Kristo nero tulimufyupo no making sure kutira tulest advise abalume besukuya ku machechi okupepa sana kula fwako mkwai.
Thank you so much, Mama Chika Monica, for those wise words. Well, you heard it for yourselves right here on BMTV, channel 114 on Top Star. We are also on Facebook at BMTV Zambia, channel 114, YouTube, BMTV Zambia, TikTok, BMTV Zambia, and also on our Instagram, we are BMTV Zambia. We also have a WhatsApp channel called BMTV Zambia because everything is BMTV Zambia. Well, we can't wait to see you in another episode next week on Iliashi. From me, Maggie, and Mama Chika Monica, it's been lovely having you here. And don't forget to support this program because this program is very much available for sponsorship. For you to continue seeing us here live on your TVs, on your channels, it is all because of sponsorship. So please do sponsor this show, and you can contact the number that is just there on the screen for any information that you might want regarding Iliashi or any questions that you may have regarding sponsorship. It's been me, Maggie, and we will see you next week.